How many numbers of indicators can you use on your particular chart? This is one of the questions people do ask me, and I need to address this very quickly. Now, indicators are based on calculated price, maybe either in the past or either in the present. And we also have different type of indicators. It can be a trend indicator, it can be an oscillator, it can be a volume. And even if you know those categories, you still have to decide how many number of indicators do you want to use on your chart. Before you can definitely understand this, you have to avoid something. Avoid repetition. I will say it again. Avoid repetition. Let's assume you're a kind of trader that trade trend. Why will you use moving average, parabolic SAR, ADX on the same chart? Because all these three indicators, they are still inside the same category of trend. So instead of using repetition frequently, it's going to really affect the way you trade, because the more indicators you use is going to affect a lot of information overload, and which is going to cost you timely decisions. So instead of using indicators repeatedly, try to use indicators that complement another. This is what I'm trying to say. Let's assume you are trading the trend and you are using a moving average. Don't use parabolic SAR, don't use ADX again, because they are under the same category. Try to use an oscillator to complement the trend. For example, let's assume you are in a buy trend. You can use an oscillator to enter for oversold area, you understand? And let's assume you are in sell trend. You can use the oscillator to enter in an overbought area. So it's going to help complement the trend. I want you to take note of this. The more indicators you use on your chart, the more problems you're going to have. And the lesser indicators you use, the lesser the problem. So try to avoid repetition. Repetition is the key.